Today is hopefully going to be just a quick one, because one of the things I've wanted to do with this car is I like the white roof, I love my white wheels now, but the mirror caps blend in, so what I wanted to do is replace them with something else. They're also a little bit loose fitting, where I think they've been on and off a few times. So I went out over the internet and I found myself some white official BMW Mini mirror caps. These are slightly different than the ones you can find on eBay, because the ones on eBay don't have these clips on the inside and are normally just a bit of tape that you then tape over the top. Now, these actually just clip off, so I'm going to bring you in close to do that, but there should be just a little couple of clips here, you can see them, and you push them down and that will allow you to kind of pull it off. And then pop off the clip on this side, pop this one on, and it should be a 30-second job, he says, having never done it. But we'll give it a go. So what I'm going to do now is I'll bring you in close so you can see how that one comes off. What I've done here is, what I'm hoping to do is just kind of put a little bit of a plastic clip underneath this edge here to provide a bit of force. And I'm using a little pick tool like so. And just behind the mirror, I'm probably peering right in front, you can see there is small clip. Now, I'm thinking you can probably do this with a screwdriver, but what I'm expecting to do is, you can just see I've just pulled the plastic after pushing this clip, and I've pushed this clip off, and now the whole thing clips off the back and pulls away, and I haven't actually damaged these clips any more than there was previously damaged. So you can see here, this one's a bit damaged, so is that one, so is that one, so is that one. That one's still intact, but they've been like this, so that's probably why this rattles. So you can see on this side, this is where the clips, I think, clip in, and all I've done, so with my little flat tool, I've come from behind, and I've just pushed this clip away from this edge, so that it allows me to pull it off. So that's all I've done. I think you can do that with a screwdriver, with anything else. Now what I'll do is just get a cloth and get rid of some of these spider webs, and then I shall put the new mirror cap on. Now this one is missing the clip here, so what I think I'm going to do is put a little bit of double-sided tape around the edge here, so that when it clips on it stays in place. So I'm going to get a bit of tape in here, scissors, and we'll give that a go. So let's get a bit of tape underneath here. A little bit of tape. See, I'd rather have this secure. Screw it. Might as well. Right, so let's try this again. Okay, that is what it looks like now. The white in various top, middle and bottom, and the white really happy with. And all I've got to do now is wait for the glue to stick, and those are in place. So, we'll do the other side, and that's that. What I am going to show, as I say, is this is the edge that needs to be kind of securely put in. Recommend kind of pushing that clip fit. So that's worth doing. And again, I've got the double-sided adhesive that you use for putting trim on the car to give it a bit more of a fit, even with the broken sections. But looking at that, that now looks so much better than the black trim. So, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.